In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in DramaBox account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon DramaBox application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, DramaBox application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to find the option for login. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface. You'll be able to find two options over here: sign in with Facebook, sign in with Google. Simply tap on the sign in method which you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to tap on this option, sign in with Google. Now once you do that, simply wait for a while. If you're logging in for the first time, you'll have to allow various access. After that, you'll be logged into your account. You can see over here, I'm logged into my account. So that is how you log in DramaBox account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.